out, Grim Reaper. He's not afraid of you. This earlier accident sent a Ford packing. You will never find the level of trust that some people have in their feet. How to not disconnect a trailer.
There's a train coming, oh my gosh. This semi better go. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, there it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh wow.
The only good news about this mishap is the chemical tanker was empty. Derailment at 0 miles per hour.
Hey, stop. No.
Yup, with zero training, it can happen, folks. If you camp long enough near the Santa Fe Junction in Kansas, you might be lucky enough to see some monstrous derailments. And here's the real reason that construction projects are always delayed. And this is why the New York subway will stay iconic forever. The importance of stopping well before the crossing. Wasn't Tom Cruise supposed to be on top? I think we're all familiar with the Great Bermuda Triangle. Can someone tell this operator the plow doesn't have to be that expensive? And now it's time to play a game called Are They Crazy or Just Watch Too Many Movies? Kids have built Hot Wheels racetracks smoother than that. This trucker was so busy talking on the control board, he didn't notice the lights. There are some things that locomotive drivers look forward to in their entire careers. If your car is stuck on the tracks, don't stand 5 feet from it and film. Maybe if you waved a bit harder, it would have worked out. His explanation to the authorities was that the train was in his blind spot. Baku City's government be like, safety? What's that? Ladies and gents, when you buy a car, the insurance is actually the main product. Ah, the outlaw who will give the cops a hard time. When your train spotting session has a part 1 and a part 2. Some bad decisions are more expensive than a running taxi meter. Do you think our video is fire? Then press that like button. We'd sure appreciate it. I'd rather break a barrier than a train break me. Full-fledged truck drivers are hard to come by nowadays. It's the moment a teen borrowed his dad's car and returned nothing more than wheels. You know, taking 2 trips wouldn't hurt. I like the fact that she took the time to close the door. On the bright side, at least the wipers are still functional. Oh, the difficulties of building turbines. That TikTok trend where you lose if you move is getting really crazy. Trains versus tanks. It's finally time to answer who's more invincible. Timing is everything. It would have been different if he had crossed the railway a second later. So nice to see NS retrofitting their modern engines back to steam. On a positive note, he isn't stuck anymore. And the greatest prankster award goes to the green light. Introducing the French Tom Cruise. When the locomotive company slashes the track maintenance budget.
Rail down. Oh great, now I got
What in the Final Destination is happening here? And now let's move on to Canada, where human automation is still no match for Mother Nature. Simple pranks can create complex inconveniences. It was the graffiti that was holding this train together. A peek into the life of a Hong Kong tram driver. Meet George. George is a real mathematician who thinks a $700 arm is cheaper than a $70,000 rig. Just your regular high-speed train in Ohio. I hope that they mentioned that the first-class coach has indoor waterfalls. Lincoln trains need an intervention because they're literally on the wrong track. And here's a representation of me barely hanging on in life.